Firstly, congratulations, and tell us about the song for which you have got this award, and how was it different from the many songs which you have sung?
I don't know. This is my first playback, luckily, and this is my very first award, and which is national award. This is huge. So I think that this is just the start of my journey. This is just the beginning of my journey. So long way to go. So fingers crossed. I'm very happy, and I'm feeling overwhelmed to be here.
Can you just sing a line for us?
তুমি যাকে ভালোবাসো স্নানের ঘরে বাষ্পে ভাসো তার জীবনে ঝড় তোমার কথার শব্দ দূষণ তোমার গলার স্বর আমার দরজায় খিল দিয়েছি আমার দারুণ জ্বর তুমি অন্য কারোর সঙ্গে বেঁধো ঘর